Hello, friends. Welcome back to English Flow Podcast. Do you ever feel shy when speaking English? Don't worry, you are not alone. Today we will talk about easy ways to speak English with confidence. Hi, I'm Alex. I'm so happy you are here today. Our topic is Speak English Confidently Today. And guess what? I'm not alone. I have a special guest with me.
Hello, everyone. I'm Aria. I'm excited to learn with you. Thank you, Alex, for inviting me.
Always happy to have you, Aria. Let's start. So, Aria, many learners feel nervous. They think, my English is not perfect. But you don't need perfect English to speak. You only need courage.
That's good to hear. But, Alex, what if I make mistakes?
Great question. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are teachers. Every mistake helps you learn faster.
Okay, but what if I don't have much time?
Even 5 minutes a day is enough. Small daily practice is more powerful than one big study session.
Wow, that sounds possible. But, Alex, sometimes I feel people will laugh at me.
I understand. Many learners feel this. But remember, most people are kind. They are happy you are trying. And confidence grows only when you practice speaking, not just reading.
So confidence comes from action, not from waiting?
Exactly. Confidence is like a muscle. You build it by using it. Repeat after me practice. Now, let's practice together. Friends, listen and repeat. I will say a sentence. Aria will repeat. Then you repeat too. Ready?
I'm ready.
I want to speak English fluently.
I want to speak English fluently.
It's okay to make mistakes.
It's okay to make mistakes.
I can learn step by step.
I can learn step by step.
I will practice every day.
I will practice every day.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
Good job, everyone. Did you repeat? I hope you did.
That was fun. I feel more confident already.
Practical tips section. And now, on English Flow Podcast, let's talk about easy steps. Here are 5 tips for speaking English confidently. Tip 1. Speak one small sentence every morning. For example, today is a good day.
Oh, that's easy. I can do that.
Tip 2. Record your voice for 1 minute, then listen. Notice small progress.
That sounds helpful. I never thought about recording myself.
Tip 3. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing. For example, I'm making tea.
Ha, I can do that in my kitchen.
Tip 4. Learn and use one new word daily. Just one word.
Just one? That feels simple and not heavy.
Yes, simple is powerful. Tip 5. Smile when you speak. A smile relaxes your voice and makes you sound confident.
That's interesting. I never knew smiling helps.
Yes, it really works. Motivational closing. So friends, remember this. Confidence is not waiting for perfect English. Confidence is speaking today with the English you have.
That is so true. We don't need to wait. We can start today.
Exactly. Remember, every small step you take today brings you closer to confident English.
Yes, you can do this, friends. Believe in yourself.
Call to action. Here's your action for today. Speak one short English sentence aloud, just one. Share it with us in the comments or tell a friend.
Yes, try it right now, even for just 5 minutes.
Ending. That's all for today's episode of English Flow Podcast. Thank you, Aria, for joining us.
Thank you, Alex, and thank you, friends. Keep practicing.
See you next time with more tips for confident English, only on English Flow Podcast. Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.